How to make YouTube algorithm push your videos automatically. Hi everyone, welcome back. I'm Tendai. Nice to have you here. So today I'm going to break down how to get the YouTube algorithm to push your videos automatically. Yes, underline that word, automatically. So you might want to watch this video till the end. Don't skip because you're going to miss very vital, important information. Okay, so I'm going to break that down, how to do it without begging for views, just automatically. No spamming. Yeah, you're not spamming social media. You're not relying on luck or just hoping things will work for you. All right. So if you understand what the algorithm wants, you don't chase views, you attract them. You're not chasing after them. Let's get straight into it. YouTube algorithm doesn't push videos randomly. It watches how real viewers react to your content. So viewers are the apparatus that the algorithm uses to push views. Not itself, it doesn't. Okay? Yeah. So it watches how real viewers react to your content second by second and uses that data to decide whether to recommend your videos to more people out there. Your goal is to create videos that make the algorithm's job easy. That's your goal as a creator. That means getting people to click the video. Not just click, but keep watching. Keep them watching and making them want more from your channel. Yeah. When you don't have enough content or content that resonate with people, then they will skip it and go to somebody else's channel. So let's start with the click. If nobody clicks, the algorithm doesn't even get to test your content because the viewers come first, right? Remember? Then, so everything starts with your thumbnail and title. That's your invitation right there. You can't go to a party without an invitation. It has to stop the scroll. The thumbnail should spark curiosity, emotion, and agency. Yes. And the title needs to make the viewer want to solve a problem, find an answer, or see something unexpected. They want to learn something. People are eager for information. Give them what they're looking for. But here's the trick. The click means nothing if people don't watch. The algorithm tracks what happens after they click, right? So the viewer reacts by clicking. If people leave in 10 seconds, it gets more and more views. If they watch to the end, you've got something powerful. This is where the hook comes in. The first 15 seconds, you need to make people feel like they are in the right place immediately. No slow intros. No, hey guys, or let me explain. You jump straight into value, tension, or transformation. What's in it for them? Tell them fast. As soon as they click, tell them fast, like I did with you. Okay? From there, every part of your video should be designed to keep the attention. That doesn't mean speaking quickly, like, oh, welcome to the channel. No. Let people digest the information, okay, while you're keeping attention. So, speaking quickly or adding a bunch of sound effects, it means nothing. It means you're removing every moment that doesn't move the viewer forward. Okay, that's what it means. Trim the fluff. Trim the fluff. Change the visuals. Keep a rhythm to it. The more attention you hold, the more the algorithm will trust your video. It's simple math. Yeah, simple. Now, here's something most creators don't realize. YouTube doesn't just track individual video performance. It also looks at session time as a whole. That means, do people keep watching YouTube after your video? Do they keep staying on the app? Are you encouraging them to use the app? If they do, you are helping the platform greatly, and YouTube loves that. YouTube is a business, and you need to help it. And YouTube rewards you for that. But if they click the video and leave the platform completely, the algorithm dials you back. So how do you boost session time? You guide the viewer to another one of your videos, like I'm doing right here, a video popping. That means you need a plan, you need to plan a content system. Your videos shouldn't be isolated. They should link together. At the end of one video, lead viewers into the next. Say something like, if you found this helpful, oh, you want to see the next one. If you found this helpful, you need to see the next one. Tell them why. Because it will help you grow your channel. There you go. This is how the algorithm starts connecting your videos. Don't isolate your videos. Don't let just one video be found and that's it, they're gone. Keep them there on the channel. And once it sees the viewers moving from one to the next, it will begin recommending more of your content in home pages, the search and suggested feed. That's how channels grow. Not from one viral hit, but from a loop of videos feeding each other, connecting, yes, to each other. Oneness, Ubuntu. Okay? Now, let's talk about consistency. One good video doesn't make the algorithm fall in love with your channel, unfortunately, but a pattern does. Connecting videos, yeah. When you consistently publish videos that get decent clicks, good retention, and drive people to other content, YouTube begins testing your videos faster. It's interesting, isn't it? I hope you're finding it the same way as I'm explaining. It trusts your content more. Algorithm will start trusting you more. Your next upload appears on more home pages. That's what it means when people say the algorithm starts to favor you. Don't take it personal. Algorithm doesn't know you exist. It works with the information that you give it and the viewers, how they react to that information. You also need to post with purpose. Have a purpose. Random uploads don't build trust with the system. But if your channel clearly focuses on one topic and all your videos relate to each other, the algorithm can easily figure out who to show your content to. That's how you get discovered by the right audience. Another major signal is engagement. If your video gets comments, likes, shares, especially early on, that's a strong message. Somebody's watching and they're enjoying it already. They're typing. I've seen people writing comments. I haven't even watched the video. I'm loving it already. Some will be smiling already because they know she's coming with the right information. Okay, so remember, if your video gets comments, likes, shares, especially early on, that's a strong message to the algorithm. That's why you should always like ask a simple question in your video, something viewers can respond to easily, depending on your niche. Because if you're doing kids videos, there's no way to comment, there's no community. But if you're doing this kind of content, this video adult, use the community tab. The more activity, the stronger your video looks in YouTube eyes, right? That's how it works. That's the question. Also, never stop improving your average view duration. If your videos are 10 minutes and people only watch 2 minutes out of it, YouTube sees that as weak. But if they watch 6, 7, or 8 minutes, that's strong. Okay, improve your storytelling, improve your pacing when you're talking, you hook curiosity every few minutes, keep people interested from start to finish. Now listen closely. The algorithm isn't out to help or hurt you. It doesn't know you. Don't take things personal. This is business. It's neutral. It's a system. Yes. It only reacts to the viewer behavior. If your video makes people stay, it spreads. It doesn't. If it doesn't, it just fades. So don't try to hack it. Yeah. Focus on what really works. Work with the algorithm. audience psychology. Study your audience, your community. If you haven't got a community, you need to start building that today. Okay, here's the big shift you need to make. Stop thinking like a creator trying to get views. Don't focus on that. Start thinking like a viewer deciding what to watch next. Ask yourself, would I click this? Would I keep watching this? Would I want to see more? If the answer is no, then that's an indication you need to change something. Go to your analytics in YouTube Studio and start it very well. If you got any questions, drop a comment and I'll respond. So when you start creating for viewers, not for yourself, what you like or what you fancy, but what the viewers want to see, then the algorithm follows. It starts with the viewers and how they react, then the algorithm follows. Okay, so how do you get the YouTube algorithm to push your video? Here's the answer to that. Make them easy to click. Make them impossible to leave. Link them together. Don't isolate your content. Post consistently. Engage your audience. Study your analytics and constantly improve. Kindly rewind that if you want to understand more. And thanks for watching. If you want to dive deeper in how YouTube decides what to put on the homepage, which is very important, go and watch my last video, which is right here. I broke down the homepage algorithm step by step. It's in greater depth and explained exactly how to land there. You need to be on the homepage, so you definitely need to watch this video. That video connects directly with what you just learned in this video. Click the screen and check the description box below. Okay, I'll see you there.